VOLTEX VT-1900HS high-speed electronic bar tacking machine has an electronic clamp device and integrated design of electronic control and machine head. Using Dachau electronic control, touchscreen, multi-language selection, the bar tacking range can be adjusted with a maximum width of 2.4 millimeters and a maximum length of 19 millimeters. With automatic thread trimming and automatic presser foot lifting functions, the fully electronic design greatly improves work efficiency. Strong heating ability. It can easily realize the reinforcement sewing of high-strength sewing products such as bags and fishing nets. Sewing is brisk and efficient to increase income. The speed of this machine is as high as 3,000 RPM with high production efficiency, concise and intuitive, easy to learn and use. The operation panel displays the parameters and patterns at the same time through the LCD screen, which is easy to learn and use, so there is no need to worry about memorizing patterns.